How to create a beach ball. Use rectangle tool. Click stroke layer. Change the stroke color to none. Click this fill layer. Go to the swatches panel. Change the color to yellow. Hold the shift key, make a perfect square. Press command to lock the object. Use ellipse tool. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to white. Hold the shift key. Create a circle. Use selection tool. Hold the option key, duplicate and put here. Select this one. Use direct selection tool. Click these anchor point. Delete this anchor point. Use rectangle tool. Create a rectangle here. Use selection tool. Hold the option key, duplicate and put here. Press command D, duplicate more. Now here have 8 rectangles. Go to Window, select Swatch Libraries. Select Color Books. Click Pantone plus Pastels and Neons Coded. Select and change the color like this. Alright. Use rectangle tool. Create a rectangle here. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to white. Use selection tool. Select all these objects. Go to Window, select Symbols. Move the rectangle group to the Symbols panel directly. Change the name. OK. Select the semicircle. Go to Effect, select 3D. Click Revolve. Click Preview. Click Map Art. Select the new symbol you just added. Click Scale to fit. Click Shade Artwork. OK. Adjust the angle. Click More option. Adjust the angle again. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Use ellipse tool. Create an oval. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to black. Go to Effect, select Blur, then click Gaussian Blur. Click Preview. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Go to Transparency panel. Select Multiple. Adjust opacity to around 65%. Use selection tool. Go to Align panel. Click Horizontal Align Center. Select this object. Click Horizontal Align Center. Move the shadow a little bit downward. Select this object. Adjust the size smaller. Move the circle to here. Adjust the size smaller. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to black. Go to Effect, select Blur, then click Gaussian Blur. Click Preview. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Go to Transparency panel. Select Multiple. Adjust the opacity number. Adjust the size again. Adjust the position. Alright. Now we got a beach ball. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.